pre-market and the aftermarket is not our market. It is the market for the market makers and the other exchanges and the hedge funds and the institutions and the dark pool. So it's not retail's market. So whenever you see anything that happens in the pre-market or aftermarket, don't get too shaken. Sure, it could affect the daily hours of trading. However, it should not bother you at all. It's beyond our control and it's beyond our realm and scope. Obviously, a lot of manipulation can happen. A lot of payment for order flow processed, a lot of failure to deliver process, a lot of synthetics process. And it's for a way for the algos and the big computers, which are in control, to figure out what to do. That is why AMC and GME always move together. It's not because the same person does the same thing on each stock at any given moment. It's because we're in this category that the algos most likely have been pre-programmed to suppress or to control. And that's beyond the scope of the market maker, beyond the scope of the SEC, because it is something that has to be controlled. And that's why it couldn't articulate or relate to what happened in January when everyone started buying these two stocks, like with the buying frenzy, because they didn't know what to do. So they had to pull the trigger. They had to pull the plug, I mean. So whenever you look at the pre-markets, don't take it into consideration too much. Also, when you look at AMC stock on a daily level or on a weekly to monthly level, you may not feel so good, yeah. But if you look at it within the scope of a year or 2 years, zoom out, you realize that we are actually doing well. And this dip is actually something that's healthy for us. So we can get new people in so that we can rip like violently at this level. We ripped at $5 or $10 to 72. Imagine where we can rip at 20 to 23, right? So I'm predicting that the next few weeks are going to be very, very big, very, very volatile. And when we look back, we won't regret that we did have conviction in this play. We did have diamond hands, and that we did save a dying theater from bankruptcy. And the two big movies that no one can question is Spider-Man and Matrix. These are going to be billion-dollar box office movies. And I bet you that AMC will not be, that will be profitable this year. And that's going to be the most bullish news. And you'll see the stock go up. And you'll see also confident, skeptical buyers come in. And you'll see different institutions come in. And I believe AMC will be trending in the $50 zone. So stay positive, okay?